Hi guys, Sophie here, and today I'm going to be filming a Subway Surfers video for you, and I'm just going to be showing you a lot of stuff. On some videos people upload of gaming, Subway Surf, like cheats to get coins. They make you delete the game and re-get it and stuff. That's a lie. They just make you lose all your stuff. I've never tried it, but I've seen in the comments. Before I try anything, I always read the comments. That is one life tip. Always check the comments before you do anything, because it just helps so much. Like with anything, like before I download or install anything as well, I always do it. Like for a screen record for my laptop, people putting it didn't work, this didn't work, and other people say, some people putting it does work and stuff. I just name hunting. Run and spell with Jake, fine. Collect letters, Jake. Okay. Ooh, got money, money, money. Ooh, bloody hell. That's a lot of money. Ooh. 40 keys. Nah, not worth it. Okay, I did not want to press that. Oh, I hate doing this. I always end up pressing it by accident. Let me get out of it. Did not mean to press that app. I meant to press start. No. I'm sorry guys about this. Yep. Oh yeah, it's had a new update. It was something different, but now it's New York. What was it? Chinese? Italian? Something like that. Anyway. Oh, her eyeliner is on point. Don't like the trousers she's wearing though. Do not like the trousers. Thank you, we're now in. Did not press it that time. I'm good for that. Okay, let's go and play. Alright. We're getting good. Don't ask. S. Found Jake's S. Jake isn't. S isn't even Jake, is it? No, why was I being so dyslexic then? Sorry if you're dyslexic, but that was being very dyslexic saying that. Oh, bugger. Oh, why did I do that? I'm not saving me, but why did I do that? I did not mean to do that. Top run. Where am I on my top run? I don't know about where I am. Okay, lovely dancing, you ballerina. 36. Top run. That was my score. I was top. Was I? No, I wasn't. Obviously not. Would I be top? I'm here. No. These are all my Facebook friends, so, but you just see their faces. But, you know, because I'm connected to Facebook. And I totally meant to do that. We'll have a few. Oh, wait, though. Oh, that's my top run at the moment. Yes, I beat my high score. Now I have to beat my high score? Beta, yes. Only just. Oh, why did it refresh my high score? I didn't like that. Because I like my high score. My old high score was really high. This isn't fair. Was I going for centuries?
Sophie?
Yeah?
Sleep now, 10:15.
Okay. Now I've got to go to bed, guys. So I will talk to you soon. Skate. That's what I'm getting. So I'll check myself. And I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment and subscribe, comment more video suggestions, etc. And I will speak to you in a future video. Goodbye.